Hazrat Urwa bin Zubair has reported from Hazrat Aisha radiyallahu anha that Hazrat Utbah took a pledge from his brother Hazrat Saad bin Abi Waqas radiyallahu anhu, the son of Zam'a, the slave girl, into his custody, for he is his. In the year of the conquest of Makkah, Hazrat Saad radiyallahu anhu took hold of him and said, "It is my nephew," and a pledge was taken from me in his connection. Hazrat Abd bin Zamaha got up and said, "It is my brother, for he was born to my father's slave girl on his bedding." So they both, taking each other, entered the court of the Prophet sallallahu alaihi wasallam. Hazrat Saad radiyallahu anhu submitted, "O Allah's Apostle sallallahu alaihi wasallam, it is my nephew, and a pledge has been taken from me regarding him." Hazrat Abd bin Zama'ah radiyallahu anhu said, "It is my brother, for he is the son of my father's slave girl, and has been born on his bedding." The Prophet sallallahu alaihi wasallam whereupon said, "O Abd bin Zama'ah, it is yours, for a baby belongs to him on whose bedding it is born, and the stone is for him who commits adultery." He sallallahu alaihi wasallam then said to Hazrat Sauda, the daughter of Zama'ah radiyallahu anhu, "You must observe veil from him," for he sallallahu alaihi wasallam noticed his resemblance to Hazrat Utbah. So he did never see her, Hazrat Sauda radiyallahu anha, until he met Allah Jalla Jalaluhu. Sahih Bukhari, Hadith number 6749.